Want to create a video like this? Let's get started. First, prepare one background photo and a video recorded in the same location. Import both into the timeline. Make sure you set the correct aspect ratio and remove the original audio if your video contains sound. Select the video, then go to the Remove BG menu and choose Auto Removal. After that, move the video above the background photo. Move forward 20 frames, then cut the clip. Move forward another 3 frames and cut again. Repeat this step several times. After that, delete every other clip to create a staggered effect. On the last clip, disable auto removal. Next, return to the first clip. Add keyframes at the beginning and in the middle at the middle keyframe. Change the scale to 10% and move the clip upward outside of the frame. Then right-click on the keyframe and apply cubic in curves to make the motion smoother. Press play to preview the result. And that's it. You've successfully created a smooth disappearing video effect. In the next video, we'll explore more editing techniques to improve your content. So make sure to like, comment, follow, or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.